The overhead valve is doubles the horsepower, so you can go twice as fast. Now you can go 100 instead of 50. So they also put an oil tank underneath the seat, and it would pump oil into the top end of the overhead valves down into the bottom end to recirculate back into the tank. And not only did it make it more efficient by lubricating the engine, but it also cooled it as well, so it made it so much more efficient than any other motorcycle at the time. So they every motorcycle built today is designed after this engine. It was kind of like building, reinventing the wheel again when they came out with it. It was such a great design. And took probably 2 to 3 years of fine tuning and adjusting the engine when it first came out. So by 1939, these things were running smooth as these sewing machines and smooth as butter. So 39 is the first year for the beehive taillights like these here. It's the last year for the rectangle style floorboards. They started to make them half rounded like these ones over here. And 39 is the last year for what was called the speedball design on the side of the tank. They started to put a metal emblem on the side of the tank in 1940. Now, this is what they call the Harley-Davidson Knucklehead Deluxe. And what makes the Deluxe is the pinstriping pieces on the front and back of the fenders, the eagle badges, the little racks on the back, and all these kind of little extras. That's what makes it more deluxe. And this is going to sound more like your typical Harley of today because, like I said, all motorcycles built today in the United States are designed after this engine.
Are those stock pipes?
These are not stock pipes. The stock pipes would look more like the ones that's on the Rusty Krusty bike right here. It's got that little fin that kind of goes up.
Okay.
So that's kind of how all the factory ones were. So this makes it sound a little bit better, but I'm going to let you hear the engine itself. Alright, so listen to this. So turn on the gas, full choke, 3 times hit fuel into the carburetor, take the choke off, you retard the spark, turn on the ignition. Oh yeah, she's dry as a bone. Give me a second. Let me fix that. The actual tube itself. I want to make sure it's got it in.
Oh yeah. That's cheap. Oh my gosh. See, I noticed this guy that works through the works on the pictures. He's got a cigar. It's not a secret. Yeah, the bigger cigar.
government owners.
I'm always interested in get old bike to work on or whatever. Who's owning this thing? It'd be neat if you could know more on that, you know.
Nice to do that. If you could write down the history of.
What I know of it, sure, yeah. I'll have, you know what, I'll have to